The ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro is a gaming-focused smartphone that pushes the limits of mobile performance while retaining the premium features expected from a flagship device. Here's an in-depth look. The ROG Phone 8 Pro has a slightly slimmer and sleeker design compared to its predecessor. It retains the iconic ROG aesthetic, with RGB lighting and a customizable Anime Vision rear display. Built with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front for enhanced durability, and Gorilla Glass 3 on the back. Includes a side-mounted USB-C port for gaming accessories and dual front-facing stereo speakers. It also keeps the 3.5mm headphone jack, a rarity in 2024. A 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a QHD Plus resolution, 2448 by 1080 pixels. It offers 1500 nits peak brightness and HDR10 Plus support for stunning visuals. Supports a 165Hz refresh rate, ideal for fast-paced gaming, with an adaptive refresh feature to save battery. Boasts a 720Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring ultra-low input latency during gaming. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, making it one of the fastest smartphones available. Up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, offering unparalleled multitasking and loading speeds. Equipped with an advanced vapor chamber cooling system and support for the AeroActive Cooler 8, which includes physical buttons and extended cooling. Armoury Crate software lets users customize gaming profiles, overclocking, and virtual button mapping. 50MP Sony IMX766 with excellent detail and color accuracy in well-lit conditions. Ultra-wide camera, a 13MP sensor with a 120-degree field of view. Telephoto camera, a basic 32MP sensor. 32MP front-facing camera for high-quality selfies and video calls. Supports 8K recording at 30 frames per second and advanced stabilization options. A 5500 mAh dual-cell battery, split for better heat dissipation. Supports 65W wired fast charging, capable of a full charge in about an hour. Reverse charging and 30W wireless charging are also supported. Efficiency. Features like the adaptive refresh rate and efficient chipset extend battery life for longer gaming sessions. Pros. Outstanding gaming performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. 165Hz AMOLED display with high-touch sampling. Large battery with fast charging options. Customizable RGB lighting and a unique design. Retains headphone jack and advanced gaming triggers. Cons. Heavier and bulkier than regular smartphones. Camera performance lags behind other flagships. Accessories like AeroActive Cooler sold separately. Conclusion. The ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro is a beast of a gaming phone, ideal for those who demand top-tier performance, exceptional cooling, and advanced gaming features. While its design and focus might not appeal to casual users, it's a dream device for mobile gaming enthusiasts.